Yeah, yeah, Boomshika is back. I'm doing another motherfucking video. Ain't y'all hoes? I know y'all hoes jealous. I know y'all hoes are jealous, but don't be hate on me, okay? Do not hate on me. Do not hate on me. Why not? Because bitch, I'm the best. Bitch, don't be mad. Don't be mad, because I'm coming back doing videos, and you still stuck on video number one. Yo, bad. So, if y'all didn't know, nigga, I'm Boomshika, and this is the video number 2. And on this video, I'm about to talk about this motherfucking day at work. But I'm not even going to get into that yet. Let me tell y'all, on the first video, I had on my tail. So a lot of people was hating on me, talking about I ain't got no hair, talking about I'm bald-headed, talking about I'm bald-headed. I'm thinking, what I look like being bald-headed? What the fuck? I told y'all I hair, bitch, and it's black, bitch, and it's blonde, bitch. Black, bitch, and blonde, bitch, okay? Too many motherfucking haters up in this motherfucker and not enough congratulators. Ain't this a goddamn bitch? Y'all mad that my shit looking long and luxurious and... Get... Girl, what? Bitch, what? Bitch, what? What? Yeah, And the reason why my motherfucking bang is fucked up because I had to fuck a bitch up earlier. Yeah, a bitch ran up on me and all she got is this. She got my motherfucking... She didn't say nothing. The bitch walked up on me and just grabbed my motherfucking bang. And I said, bitch, let my shit go. That bitch held on to her. I said, boom, that bitch was out of there up in this motherfucker. These bitches know not to fuck with me now. No. I bet that bitch won't fuck with me again. Bitch, and I fought her in this bitch. What? Skinny jeans and a motherfucking halter top hoe. Y'all think this a bra, bitch? This a halter top. This is lingerie. Y'all know nothing about that, bitch. This is Donatella Versace, bitch. What? So anyway, here's what I was gonna tell.